Yeah, shorty. I see you. Go ahead and share with your friends. Holla.
Don't be mad, I'm not trying to offend. Your shape is captivating, but I'ma be patient. If I have to, I'ma just fall back. Ain't no need to press the fact that I'm open off your style. You're sexy when you walk. I ain't even heard you talk yet. If your voice is as fly as your skin tone, then I already know what you sound like when you moan.